This is Dave at SOM Trailers, SOMtrailers.com. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. I'll give you a quick video tour on this 2007 Cimarron 4-horse weekender. It's got a factory weekender in it with a, probably got a 4-foot short wall. 21 foot on the floor, 7 wide, 7 tall. This is stock number 5019. Kind of hard to see in these pictures, but there's like 4 dings I see on the nose here. We've run it through the shop, checked everything out, inspected everything, put a new air distribution box on the AC unit, put some new tires on there, serviced the axles. It's got a scuff down there on the door. Got a hay rack. Put some new load lights on it, I see. Some brand new tires. Drop down, heavy duty face cage. You can see where the old P&P graphic logo used to be on there. Another brand new LED load light. There's a good little, it's kind of hard to see in the sunlight. There's a good scuff slash ding there. The bottom of this inner well was chafed up and rubbed down a little bit, so we cut it out and put a new section of rubber down there down low. The insulated roof, 2-way vents. Mats are in decent shape. Got a collapsible rear tack. Comes with a power cord. Another new load light we put on over there. This fender's got some wrinkles in it, but it's not bad. There's 2 dings on that wall panel there. Take a peek in here and look at this conversion. These are fresh water, city water connections. Three cubic foot fridge, microwave. Got your vanity with a sink here. Shower stool combo. Hanging closet. It's prepped for a TV. An outlet there. Got a water heater, no furnace. It does have a heat strip in it. Looks like there's a little nick in the fabric right there. That wraps it up for this one. Like I said, do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe, and you'll be the first to get instant notifications when we post new and used inventory.